Welcome to Review Lab. The best Mohawk Putty White is probably one of the most essential tools for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. This versatile product is designed to seamlessly fill imperfections in wood surfaces, providing a smooth and flawless finish. Whether you're repairing scratches, dents, or nail holes, Mohawk Putty White offers excellent adhesion and a paintable surface, making it an ideal choice for a variety of projects. Number 5. Mohawk M230-0202 Fil-Stik Repair Pencil, White. This Fil-Stik repair pencil requires no heat or special tools. Simply rub it in and wipe off. It's that easy to use. This product is designed for simple repairs. It is perfect for fixing minor imperfections on your furniture or other items. The colors are fade-resistant and non-bleeding, ensuring a lasting repair. The color will stay true over time. You can top coat it immediately with tone finish aerosols or other coatings. This allows for a seamless finish. This particular Fil-Stik is white. It is ideal for repairing light-colored surfaces. What we like. This product requires no heat or special tools, making it incredibly user-friendly. Its fade-resistant, permanent colors ensure a lasting repair. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix that you can immediately top coat, this is the one for you. What people say. Mohawk Putty White is a great product for filling nail holes and other small imperfections in wood. The color match is excellent, and the putty is easy to apply and dries quickly. It sands well and can be painted or stained to match the surrounding surface. Number 4. Deuvuo Wood Filler, Quick and Lasting Wood Repair. Are you tired of unsightly cracks and holes in your wood furniture? This product offers a quick and lasting fix for any damage or flaw. It's designed to make your wood look brand new. Save time and money with this wood putty filler. It's designed not to shrink, sink, or crack, and it has excellent adhesion. It only needs to be applied once, and flawlessly accepts any finish or stain. This stainable wood filler putty is the most innovative and user-friendly product on the market. It's designed for the pros, but even DIY enthusiasts can use it with ease. You will be amazed by the result. Whether you're repairing furniture, finishing a floor, or completing a craft project, this product is perfect for you. You can sand, stain, tint, prime, fill, and seal every knot on your to-do list with it. This wood putty filler is ideal for wood furniture repair, suitable for wooden veneers, desks, wooden floors, cabinets, tables, and doors. Say goodbye to unsightly cracks and holes with this product. Trusted by countless DIY heroes, this wood grain filler kit contains a special carpenter quality formula to match delicate wood finishes. The manufacturer also provides return and exchange services, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This wood filler is designed to be cost-effective and easy to use for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It flawlessly accepts any finish or stain, making it versatile for various projects. If you have a wide range of repair needs, from furniture to floors, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Dries nice and sands well. Haven't tried to stain over it, but it takes paint as expected. This product works very well. Worked great covering the holes in my TV stand. It was easy to apply. Dried quick. The color matches so well, you can't hardly see it. Number 3. 72-pack Assortment Number 2, M230-7201. This assortment pack offers a variety of items. It's designed to provide a comprehensive selection for your needs. The model number helps you identify this specific pack. It ensures you're getting the exact assortment you're looking for. You'll receive a total of 72 pieces in this pack. This quantity provides ample supply for various applications. The pack includes a diverse range of items. This variety makes it suitable for different tasks and projects. It's ideal for a wide range of uses. This pack is a convenient solution for your requirements. What we like. N.A. What people say. Mohawk Putty White is a great product for filling nail holes and small imperfections in painted trim and woodwork. The color match is excellent, and it dries quickly. It sands easily and takes paint well. Number 2. Mohawk Fil-Stik White M230-0202 Wood Repair. Introducing the Mohawk Fil-Stik. This is a wax putty stick designed to repair scratches on your furniture and other wooden surfaces. It's easy to use and provides a professional finish. To use it, simply rub the Fil-Stik over the scratch. Then, scrape off any excess wax with a card and blend it with a soft cloth. It's that easy. You don't need any heat or special tools. This product is designed for convenience. It's perfect for quick fixes around the house. This wood filler stick works well on most wooden surfaces. It's great for low traffic areas and filling nail holes. The possibilities are endless. Made of professional grade hard wax, this product ensures durability. Apply pressure during application for the best results. It's a reliable solution for wood repair. What we like. This wax putty stick is perfect for fixing scratches on furniture and trim. It requires no heat or special tools, making the application simple. If you like a quick and easy solution for minor imperfections, you should consider this. What people say. The putty matched the white color of the cabinets perfectly. It filled the nail holes and imperfections in the wood very well. The color was a perfect match. Number 1. Mohawk Fil-Stik 12-pack, M230-1250. Tired of looking at those unsightly scratches? This 12-pack is perfect for fixing nicks and scratches. It is designed to make your furniture look new again. This wood putty filler crayon helps repair imperfections. It's great for furniture, cabinets, and trim. Using it is incredibly easy. Just rub the wax stick over the imperfection. Then, scrape off any excess with a credit card. You don't need any heat or special tools. This semi-hard filler putty stick works well on most wooden surfaces. It's also great for filling nail holes. It's available in many colors to match your furniture. It can repair and hide scars on various surfaces. This includes picture frames, leather, plastics, and paneling. What we like. This 12-pack offers a wide variety of colors to match your furniture. It's easy to use, just rub it on and watch imperfections disappear. If you are looking for a versatile solution to match different wood finishes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This crayon-like product repaired to invisibility a deep gouge in my kitchen cabinets. The maple color exactly matched. I followed a YouTube video, rub hard and long, then level with a credit card. I wrapped the card in a paper towel, and that helps. You want to build up the gouged area, working the wax into the whole area, and then bring it down to a flush, even surface. I was able to use it on some scratches and it helped blend them instead of seeing a light-colored scratch against dark walnut floors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.